subscribe Anong Sayo TV mo.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about ENHYPEN Songhoon. Only here on Annyeong Chiga Update! ENHYPEN Songhoon went viral for manhandling of an airport security guard. A photo of an airport security guard has gone viral for the way he carried his job. It is normal for a security guard to just do a simple pat down. However, one security guard gained so much attention on ENHYPEN's way to Taiwan, the way he carried his job with Songhoon. Although he politely averted his eyes, his hands were on Songhoon's back. K-nets were very shocked on this incident and tweeted their disappointments about this on X. You need to check if he has weavers on his phone. Ajashi, don't touch. But do they normally squish your butt like that? The photo in question currently garnered around 1.5 million views since it was uploaded and still counting. That's it mga kaanyong. What can you say about how the security guard carried his job? Was it overdone, intentional, or what? Comment your thoughts below.
And then please like and subscribe.